Scaling, optimizing, staying ahead. Today, custom IoT solutions make it possible, not optional. I am from Avigna AI, the IoT implementation leader headquartered in Pune, India. In this video, we elaborate how scalable IoT custom solutions help your business grow. IoT custom software is designed to meet your unique business needs. Unlike generic off-the-shelf solutions, IoT custom software provides flexibility, scalability, and precision. Whether you're managing complex logistics, maintaining equipment, or tracking assets, custom IoT solutions enable you to optimize your processes in ways you never thought possible. Let's break it down. Custom IoT software is tailored to your specific requirements. This means no more cookie-cutter solutions that don't fit your business model. With IoT, you can monitor assets in real time, automate maintenance to reduce downtime, gain deep insights into operational data to improve decision-making, scale seamlessly as your business grows. For example, we implemented a comprehensive industrial IoT IIoT solution to address the operational challenges. We connected over 5,000 assets and managed the ingestion and processing of more than 50 GB of real-time data daily from both legacy and modern equipment. By integrating advanced analytics, machine learning-driven diagnostics, a user-friendly SME workbench, remote troubleshooting tools, and augmented reality AR support, we enabled early fault detection, predictive maintenance scheduling, and efficient issue resolution, often reducing the need for on-site visits. As a result, we reduced operational costs by 30% and downtime by 10%, while increasing revenue from predictive maintenance services by 15%. We unified asset monitoring across diverse equipment types, improved safety by preventing equipment failures, and promoted sustainability by extending equipment lifespans. Our efforts also led to a 5% increase in Net Promoter Score, NPS, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Through this solution, we delivered greater operational efficiency, better service quality, and stronger customer relationships. But why choose a custom solution? Off-the-shelf software often lacks the flexibility needed to meet your specific business challenges. A tailored IoT solution ensures that you're not just adopting technology, you're adopting the right technology for your operations. No compromises. If you're ready to scale and streamline your operations with IoT, it's time to consider a custom solution. Contact us today to learn more and discover how IoT can drive your business forward.